All right, so if you have a '07 to like 14 Yukon, Escalade, Suburban, Tahoe, whatever, in the middle seat, the middle row, captain seats, you always have these loose, wiggling armrests. So that one's loose. This one is not loose. See? What you do is you pop off this cap, and I have a long socket. It's an 8mm right there. 8mm. Just fit it on there. Okay, put it on there. Okay, so we're back. It's a 13mm that goes on the outside. All right, so it's a 13mm. I have a 13mm long extension. Okay, look at that. You can already tell a little bit too tight, so we can back off a little bit. Okay. Nice and firm. No more sloppy armrest. Probably back off just a little bit more. Okay, let's see again. Look at that. Nice and tight. Okay, put that back on there. All right, so there you have it. 13mm deep socket, tightens up your armrest just like new. I can actually do this one a little bit. Okay. Look in there. Here we are. 13. This one just needs a slight tighten. That's probably it. $13mm. Gets in there, it tightens it right up. Probably about it. Yeah, look at that. Okay, that's it. 13mm. Deep socket. I have an extension. You don't really need the extension, but if you have it, you know, it's fine. It's Harbor Freight. This is actually a Husky. I don't know if they sell it anymore, but there you go. Tightens up your armrest, gets them firm, just like new.